Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your very first Python program. So what you're going to do first is click File, New File, and then you're going to type print, parentheses, quote. I'm going to write, hello Python friends. And you need a quote, parentheses. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to tell Python to print whatever you've placed inside these quotes and parentheses. So in my case, hello Python friends. Now you can put whatever you want in these parentheses and quotes. You can say hi, you can say I like pizza, you can say whatever you want. So before we run this program, we want to save it. So we want to click File, Save As. I'm going to name mine Hello Python Friends. .py. So the .py will just save it as a Python file. And with the name, why I've made it a long name, you don't have to make it this long. That's just what I put as mine. You can also name it whatever you want. You can name it A. It'll still save. So you do want to name it something that you can recognize. That way I'll know, as I see it, oh, my Hello Python friends, that's printing Hello Python friends. So I'm going to save this in my Python work. And now that it's saved, we can run it. There we go. Hello, Python friends. So this will come in handy whenever you want to print something. So this is printing in my Python shell. So whenever you're doing games or things like that, as long as you print something, this will come in handy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, please put them in the comments and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!